Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a story that's got everyone talking and a little worried. Imagine a world where government services aren't run by people, but by machines. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, Elon Musk might be making that a reality. But is it a good thing? That's the million-dollar question we're tackling today. Buckle up, because this could get bumpy. All right, let's get to the heart of it. The buzz is that Musk, known for his disruptive ventures at Tesla and SpaceX, is eyeing the possibility of replacing sacked government workers with AI-powered systems. This isn't just some casual brainstorming session. It's a potential large-scale shift in how government operates. We're talking about the possibility of AI handling tasks previously done by human employees, potentially impacting agencies like USAID, which we'll get into later. Is this about efficiency, cost-cutting, or something more profound? The stakes are incredibly high. Now, let's zoom in on USAID. This agency is crucial for delivering humanitarian aid and development assistance around the globe. Imagine the disruption if key personnel are replaced with machines. We're talking about programs that provide food, healthcare, and shelter to vulnerable populations in countries like Afghanistan and Syria. What happens when those lifelines are potentially cut off or severely disrupted? This isn't just about numbers. It's about real people and their survival. The closure of medical centers, instability in displacement camps. This is the potential reality. We've seen reports about the USAID website going dark and employees being locked out of email. This isn't just a technical glitch. It's a sign of serious internal turmoil. This isn't happening in a vacuum. The immediate impact is going to be felt by those who rely on USAID's programs. Humanitarian aid cuts mean less access to essential services. Development projects stall, impacting education, infrastructure, and economic growth. And let's not forget the job losses, not just within USAID, but also in partner organizations. The morale within the agency is likely plummeting, and that affects everything. It's a domino effect that starts with a single decision. But it doesn't stop there. This has a ripple effect on related industries. NGOs that depend on USAID funding are facing financial crises, potentially leading to program closures and staff reductions. Consulting and contracting firms that provide services to USAID are losing contracts and revenue, creating market instability. Even research institutions that receive USAID funding for development-related research are facing budget cuts, potentially hindering scientific progress. It's a whole ecosystem that's being shaken. Now, let's step back and look at the bigger picture. Reduced aid can exacerbate poverty, inequality, and social unrest in recipient countries, potentially leading to increased instability and conflict. It can also weaken the U.S.'s influence on the global stage, potentially allowing other countries to fill the void. Humanitarian crises could worsen, leading to increased suffering and displacement. And let's be honest, all of this could erode public trust in government and international institutions. It's a dangerous game to play. This isn't just a policy decision. It's potentially a legal battleground. Lawmakers are already challenging the legality and constitutionality of these actions against USAID. They're questioning the authority and the process. Are we witnessing a power grab? Are proper procedures being followed? The answers to these questions could determine the future of USAID and the direction of U.S. foreign policy. Okay, let's talk about risks. We've seen reports of access denied, messages, and blank website titles. This could be a sign of technical issues, security vulnerabilities, or even deliberate attempts to shut down communication. It's a red flag that something isn't right, and it raises serious concerns about data integrity and the agency's ability to function effectively. Is this intentional? Is it incompetence? Either way, it's not good. And then there's the issue of cybersecurity. Remember the story about Musk's Doge teen being fired for leaking company secrets? This highlights the critical importance of cybersecurity in government and related industries. A data breach can have devastating consequences, compromising sensitive information and undermining public trust. We need to be vigilant about protecting our digital infrastructure, especially during times of organizational change. But beyond the technical and legal risks, there are profound ethical concerns. Cutting aid to countries in need could have devastating consequences for people relying on those services. Is it morally right to prioritize efficiency and cost-cutting over the well-being of vulnerable populations? There's a strong ethical argument for wealthy nations to provide aid to developing countries, based on principles of humanitarianism and global responsibility. We can't ignore the human cost of these decisions. Let's be clear, Elon Musk is a visionary, but some might say he's also reckless. His track record is filled with both incredible successes and controversial decisions. Is this move to replace government workers with machines a stroke of genius or a dangerous gamble? Is he pushing the boundaries of innovation or crossing ethical lines? That's the core question we need to ask. Are the potential benefits worth the risks? This isn't just about USAID. It's about the future of work and the role of AI in our society. Are we heading towards a world where machines replace human workers in all sectors, including government? What are the long-term social and economic consequences of such a transition? We need to have a serious conversation about technological unemployment, the widening wealth gap, and the potential for social unrest. This isn't just about technology. It's about our values and our vision for the future. Ultimately, the decision to replace government workers with machines is a choice between efficiency and humanity. Can we find a balance between leveraging the power of AI to improve government services and preserving the dignity and well-being of human workers? Can we ensure that the benefits of technological progress are shared by all, not just a select few? These are the questions that will shape our future. So, what do you think? Is Musk right to pursue this ambitious plan? Or is it a recipe for disaster? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. This is a complex issue with no easy answers, and your input is valuable. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis of the latest tech trends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.